Ahem. Welcome to the Infra-red project. I hope I can be of assistance. So, sit back and relax. The infrared light is electromagnetic radiation with longer wavelengths than those of visible light, extending from the red edge of the visible spectrum. Most of the thermal radiation emitted by objects near room temperature is infrared. Infrared radiation was discovered in 1800 by astronomer William Herschel. I'll let James tell you more about that now.
Sir Frederick William Herschel, born in 1738 in Hanover, Germany. Herschel became well known as both an astronomer and as a musician. He moved to England in 1757. Herschel is famous for his discovery of the planet Uranus in 1781, the first new planet discovered in the modern era. But Herschel made another dramatic discovery in 1800. He wanted to know how much heat passed through the different colored filters he used to observe sunlight. He noted that filters of different colors seemed to pass different amounts of heat. Herschel thought that the colors themselves might be of varying temperatures, so he devised a clever experiment to investigate his hypothesis. He directed sunlight through a glass prism to create a spectrum, and then measured the temperature of each color. Herschel used 3 thermometers with blackened bulbs for each color of the spectrum. As he measured the individual temperatures of the violet, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red light, he noticed that all of the colors had temperatures higher than the controls. Moreover, he found that the temperatures of the colors increased from the violet to the red part of the spectrum. After noticing this pattern, Herschel decided to measure the temperature just beyond the red portion of the spectrum, in a region where no sunlight was visible. To his surprise, he found that this region had the highest temperature of all. Herschel's experiment was important because it marked the first time that someone demonstrated that there were types of light that we cannot see with our eyes. What Herschel had discovered was a form of light beyond red light, now known as infrared radiation. William Herschel died in 1822, having left us with one of the great discoveries of his century. If, however, Herschel were alive today, he'd be amazed to see how his discovery has helped us to achieve what we have achieved today.
Over half of the energy of the sun is transmitted by infrared. Infrared light is used in all kinds of applications. Night vision devices using infrared illumination to allow people or animals to be observed without the observer being detected. Infrared thermal imaging cameras are used to detect heat loss in insulated systems and have very useful implications for everyday use. Darn, I must be off. I hope you have found this both entertaining and informative. Thank you.